Over 6 weeks, a unique strategy was tested on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame, and the outcome, an impressive 68% success rate out of 100 trades. But it gets even better. The strategy turned a $1,000 investment into an outstanding $1,995 profit in just 6 weeks. The strategy is simple, free, and use 2 indicators from the TradingView website. Want to learn more? Let's dive in. To explore the strategy, we'll be using TradingView.com. First, open your preferred asset. Then navigate to the indicator section and search for the first indicator named PP Signal Supertrend ADX MTF indicator. Once you find it, click it on the indicator to add it to your chart. To get the most accurate signals from your trading strategy, you'll need to make minor adjustments to the settings of the PP Signal Supertrend ADX MTF indicator. But hold on, we're not done with the strategy just yet. We need to add another indicator. But before we proceed, I just wanted to let you know that our team at TradeGenius YouTube channel is all about sharing awesome free scalping indicators. We're always posting new stuff, so make sure to subscribe and give us the like to stay updated and show your support. Now, let's talk about adding another indicator to improve your trading strategy. This one is called 4 EMAs. To make the most out of your trading strategy, we need to fine-tune the settings of the 4 EMA indicator. By doing this, you'll have a clear picture of when to enter and exit trades, ensuring your strategy stays profitable. Just follow my lead and we'll adjust the settings together so you can create a winning trading plan. You've done a fantastic job setting up both indicators. Let's discuss how to identify the ideal times to enter and exit trades. And here's your roadmap to finding perfect buy entry points. First, ensure that the 100 moving average is above the 400 moving average line, and the price should be above all the MA lines. This confirms that we're trading in an uptrend, which is essential for this strategy. Next, wait for a green dot to appear below a candle, signaling it's time to make your move. So once these conditions are met, go ahead and open your buy position. Now let's talk about managing risk and protecting your investment. Set a stop loss just below the recent market swing low or one of the MA lines or below the green dot. This creates a safety net for your trade. After that, secure your profits by establishing a trade target using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And now, let's discuss the guidelines for sell trades. First, ensure that the 100 moving average line is below the 400 moving average line, and the price should be below all the MA lines. This confirms that we're trading in a downtrend, which is vital for the strategy. And then watch for a red dot to appear above a candle, signaling a potential sell opportunity. Once these conditions are met, it's time to open a sell position. Now let's talk about risk management and protecting your investment. Set a stop loss just above the recent market swing high, one of the MA lines, or the red dot. This serves as a safety net for your trade. And finally, secure your profits by setting a trade target using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Alright, looking to score big profits without breaking the bank? Don't miss our next recommended video. It's packed with insider tips and tricks for successful trading on a shoestring budget. Click now to watch and start maximizing your earning potential today.